In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Google Calendar in Chrome. If you want to create a backup of your calendar data, move your events to another service, or simply keep a copy for your records, Google Calendar makes that process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, so you can export your calendar file quickly and with confidence. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one calendar. That small check at the beginning can save you confusion later, since the export will come from the account you currently have open. Once Google Calendar is on your screen, look toward the upper right area for the gear icon. Click that icon to open the settings menu and then choose settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your calendar account, where Google stores a variety of options related to preferences, time zones, and data management. From there, find the import and export section. This is the area that lets you bring calendar files into Google Calendar or export your existing calendar data out of it. Since the goal here is to download your calendar information, stay in this section and look for the export option. Click Export, and Google Calendar will begin preparing your data for download. In most cases, the file you receive will be a compressed zip file rather than a single calendar file immediately ready to open. That's completely normal, so don't worry if the download doesn't look like an .ics file right away. After the download finishes, locate the zip file on your computer, usually in your Downloads folder, unless your browser is set to save files somewhere else. Open or extract the zip file to access its contents. Inside, you'll find the calendar data saved as an .ics file. That .ics format is the standard file type commonly used for calendar imports and exports, which means it can often be used with other calendar applications as well. At this point, your calendar has been successfully exported. Keep the .ics file somewhere easy to find if you plan to import it into another calendar later, and consider storing a backup copy in a safe location if this export is meant for archiving. That's all it takes to export your Google Calendar in Chrome.